In this part 2 video of making the 8-foot scalloped awning, I share the additional boards that you need and how to assemble it. You'll first want to grab the scallop board that I showed you how to cut in the previous video. You'll then want to cut a board that is 8 feet long and 1 feet in width. And for this I am using 1/2 inch birch plywood. You'll then want to install the scallop board on the front of the board that you just cut. And to secure everything, I am using 1 1/4 inch brad nails. And try to make sure that the top of the scallop board is flush with the other board to give you the cleanest look possible. And you could use as many brad nails as needed, as you will use wood filler to fill in those holes later. Once you finish installing the front of the board, you'll then want to cut a 4 inch by 8 foot piece of wood. I am using scrap, and this is going to be for the backing. And the installation of this will be very similar to the front, where it will be flush to the top of the board, and you'll use the 1 1/4 inch brad nails. For that backing trim, I did use 3/4 inch sanded plywood. Once you finish installing the backing, you are now ready to install the support. And for this, you'll need 2 pieces, 4 inches wide and 11 1/4 inch long. And you could secure this with the same 1 1/4 inch brad nails, and you'll attach it from the front and the top sections as shown. And again, you will use wood filler to fill in all the holes. Once you've completed the one side, you'll then move on to the next side, and you'll repeat the exact same process. Once you're finished with this, you're now ready to fill in all the holes with the wood filler, and then it's ready for paint. So make sure you put all your questions in the comments, and thanks for watching.